Okay, so let me just show you this quick trick I came up with. I had this quick set uh, by the falling apart pin kit, so I wanted to transfer it to this new case, which I basically had no problem with these larger ones. But then when it came to the other ones, I was like, man, I'm not gonna pick all them up with tweezers. So what I did is I just drilled holes in it and then pushed the pins through. So like these masters, I put it right on top. I drilled the hole and then I just pushed them in. I did that for each one. Then you just gotta take your tweezers and just pick out the little plastics. So just a little trick in case you have an old pin kit. And then I took the chart right there and taped it. So this might come in handy. Might need to do that one day. Alright, thank you.